I'm dropping this video for you guys showing you how I map out my basic cat eye. This basic mapping always had my clients leaving happy every single time after their appointment. I'm also using, of course, Lash Therapy's Classic Couture Tweezer and Cashmere Matte Classic Lash Extensions 0.15 C-Curl. And you already know I'm using my favorite glue, which is the Girl Next Door by Sinful Lashes. My career wouldn't be existent if I didn't find this glue. I've struggled with retention my first 2 years lashing, which was super scary and an absolute nightmare, but now I never have that fear if my client's lashes are going to last. The lengths I used on her was 8 through 13 millimeters. This mapping is super simple and very basic to do, especially if you are a beginner, but will have your clients extremely satisfied with the results. So if you're not sure what mapping to give to your clients when coming into the appointment, I would always suggest a cat eye. It will open their eye and it's very flattering. A little trick I love doing is using a piece of tape for the inner corner and outer corner to help me get into the most challenging areas that I find myself having difficulty lashing. I've been lashing for about 4 years now and I still have difficulty in the same areas. So if you're like me and the inner corners are always challenging, don't worry, it will get easier in time, but it makes my job a lot less stressful if I use a piece of tape to lift the inner corner or outer corners. Before I go, if you enjoy watching my videos, please smash that like button and also subscribe. I decided to make this video specifically for someone who commented down below who asked for more mapping videos. So shout out to MVP for requesting this. If you have any special requests for certain videos you would like to see more of, please comment down below. I'm also going to leave all the links in the description box, including all of my favorite Amazon products.
When we wake, hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side our fears are done. All the good times just begun. We know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright.
Missing someone, love with all your heart. Missing someone, love with heart. How much you miss it, and you deserve. From the start, and you did right from the start. Missing someone is as normal. Missing someone, and
always think of you when spring comes, like it's something in the air at that time. Don't know why, always dream of you when spring comes. It's like the heat